Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA TS8222 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA TS8222 support. Best result should come back with a Canon support page here for PIXMA TS8222. Open that up and then scroll down on this page underneath software and drivers and select where it says let's locate it here. You might have to load more and select the print driver and scan utility installer. Select download, and once it's downloaded to our computer, go ahead and open it up to run it. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and then you can close out of the browser. Select next, select your country, and accept the end user license terms. And then you can select your preferred connection method to your printer and then proceed with the remaining on-screen directions. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.